Alright, part 3 of the video series. So we're about to slap that engine in the Banshee. I did go ahead and put some brand new tires, freshies. Got them wheel powder coated too. Look really good. Yeah. Shouldn't take too long to put the engine in. I'm still waiting on those damn tie rod end. Yeah. No tie rod end. Anyway. Alright, so here's the engine. It's going in. Just don't want to scratch nothing, you know what I mean? Everything is fresh, everything is new. You need to scratch nothing. Come on. There we go. What am I stuck on? Okay, so I got the engine in. I was having a bit of trouble. The powder coat is quite thick, so it wasn't fitting quite right beside that right there. It was quite tight. So front bolt is on. Rear bolt is on too. So you need to put the washers and the nuts. I will need to get some freaking Loctite too. Pretty important on a Banshee. Those things vibrate like they vibrate a lot, so you need to use a lot of Loctite on them. And the same thing for the back. To be Loctite. Yeah, that's a bit much, but whatever. Oof, it's a bit hard. Anyway, you guys get the point. I'm gonna get that freaking nut on, and I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, so here's the two bolts for the bottom mount. These go under the engine. Again, I like to put Loctite on them, even though they got a lock washer. Be a Loctite, never hurt nobody. Alright. So these one goes under here. Right here. There we go. Hammer those fucking thing in. My damn lever was rubbing on my face. Scratch it. Oh well, it is what it is. So I guess now I need to rebuild them carburetor. Pretty dirty. Not even sure where I put them. So I got a few set of carbs. I'm gonna take the one that are in best condition, clean them up, jet them, and sink them, and all that good shit. You know what I mean? So. Moving along well. A few more hours and that bike should be done. Okay, I got a few set out. So I'm most likely gonna take that set. It's already tore delete. It's already drill and tap. One thing I'm missing is some jet. I do have some jet, but all these jet were too big or too small. These one are 290, too big. 310, too big. So I need about 270, 280 max, because it's only going to be running some PC pipe and stock reeds. So I was gonna put some V-force on it, but I end up I'm gonna put some stock reeds on it. So yeah, I just checked if I had spark. Perfect spark on both sides. So I'm about to do a compression test. Let's see how much PSI we get. So 120, 125 on the left one, and that's a cold one. I'm gonna do one right after it's warm too. So I just want to see if everything is okay. So see, we got 120, 125 on the left side. The same thing. 120, 125. So give or take. That's a cheap compression tester. I need to get myself a better one, but healthy engine. So now it's time to freaking rebuild some carb. I will need to get some jet though. As your garage would say, sparkulators are on. Coil is plugged too. Coming along well. Throttle cable is on. I got the radiator hose installed as well. So and for the carb, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow and go get some jet. I'm gonna get some 260, 270, and 280. So I'm gonna be using these one. I still need to go through them and take a look at them. See, like these one, they're no good, especially that one. That one's pretty bad. Yeah. So these float are no good anymore. I'm gonna take a look at these one if they're good. And I'm gonna take a look at these ones. So I'm gonna take the best part out of all these carb to put in one. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, one other thing I can do. I can install the slider. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna install the slide. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be it for part 3. So I almost forgot to pull out my camera. But anyway, I got those carb rebuild. They got brand new needle jet, needle set. So yep, brand new hose, brand new fuel line. It done. Few things I'm missing. I still need to go get the boat. I kind of want all same boat, so I'm gonna go get some nice boat today. That's coming along well. It's almost done. So I got the on and off valve rebuild. It was leaking from down here, so I put a new O-ring in the new I think it's called a valve pack. Anyway, it's rebuild. I did go ahead and put the graphic kit, front fender, gas tank cover, and the gas tank. Graphic kit came along pretty well. Not perfect by no means. We look good, look decent. So I still need to put the oil in. I got some ATF type F fluid. I'm in Canada, so I get my shit at Canadian Tire. I've been using that shit for so long in all my bike, so worked pretty good. So like I said, I think that's gonna be it for part 3. Part 4, I'll be starting the bike. I'll be riding the bike if everything go well. Well, everything is gonna go well, that's for sure. So yeah, I will sync the carb. Well, they're already kind of sync by eye. Anyway, I got my trusty tool. I sync those motherfucker tomorrow. tomorrow or tonight. It depends how it's going, you know. Another thing I had to do, I had to re-bled the front brake. But I still need to get a damn gasket. I'm not sure if we can see it. Oh yeah, we can see. Oh, that fucker's leaking. That's no good. I'm gonna go get a brand new seal. And, oh, I did put some fucking Prestone in it. That's done. Oh yeah. But anyway, I think that's gonna be it. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. In part 4. It's gonna be a startup video. This fucking trip right there, man. Anyway. Peace out, guys.